Alright guys, this is the second part of the Franklin Park Railroad Daze. I'm outside in front of the Metra Heritage Unit, and we have a Metra inbound coming. Hopefully it'll give us the horn show like it did for the, it's called...
Stabilizer, reflectors. Here they come.
This is gonna be so loud. Oh, that horn's amazing.
On march, Andy. Metra.
Is that Nathan K5LA? It's fine. It's just the conductor doesn't even mind being on camera. Look at that. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that.
I don't know if she's extra board though. Look at that. I don't know if she's extra board. I don't think.
Alright guys, the train's about to leave in a second. And looks like I'm about to go inside the Heritage Unit in a few seconds.
Hi, Mom.
You want to go up there like this? Do a picture?
Hang on. I'm gonna wait until the Metra pass. There might be a Metra F59 PHI on the rear.
That's actually nice.
Oh, that's a wheelchair accessible car. That's pretty cool. I've never seen something like that. I know, we're making progress. Sorry about that. I didn't know if he wanted to be in the video, but I thought I was like coming on that track for 1 second because it looked like it. You see, train engineers can be pretty friendly too. And so can conductors, because a lot of people allow me to let them blow the horn, which is awesome. Alright, the train's about to leave. Luckily there's mirrors so they know when to go. I'm gonna get my picture taken once the train goes by. Alright, the brakes are releasing on that car, so they might be going. Sounds so weird from the brakes. I wonder if it's a F59 PHI in the back. Nope, it sounds like an MP36. Or wait, can that be? I can't see it yet, so I gotta wait. Wait. It's an MP36.